Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make pesto fettuccine. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make pesto fettuccine. So let's start this out by dropping down here and seeing what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with about 2 cups of fresh basil, 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, 3 cloves of garlic, half a cup olive oil, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper, and then a 12-ounce box of fettuccine noodles. You can see that cooking over there right now. We're going to use that after we make this pesto. Let's start by cleaning up the basil and getting it ready. Alright, I've got our basil all cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and just start taking the leaves off and putting it in the bowl. 2 cups means 2 cups of like pressed into the 2 cups, not just 2 cups of the leaves just setting in there. You want to press them down because you want a lot of pesto, otherwise it's going to be nothing but a bunch of oil. So I'm going to go ahead and let's talk about cleaning this up first. You want to make sure that even if it's organic or you buy it in the store or you grow it yourself, that you always wash the leaves off to get rid of any dirt, any bugs, any pesticides, or any chemicals, or any kind of fertilizer, if you know what I'm talking about by fertilizer. You want to wash this really well because this isn't going to be cooked. You are making this and serving it basically raw and uncooked, so there's no heat to kill any bacteria, so you want to make sure you're really doing a good job of washing this off. So I'm going to go ahead and continue cleaning this up. Let's just go ahead and throw a transition in here on the next frame. Alright, I've got all the basil cleaned up. It's ready to go in the bowl. Let's get everything else out and start mixing this up. Okay, got our mise right here with all of our ingredients. Got our basil. I of course have the NutriBullet that I use for everything because I don't have any other equipment and I'm not going to do this by hand in a mortar and pesto. So I'm going to push all of this pesto, all of this basil in here and see what happens. Just grinding it up by itself a little bit to help out. Okay, that works. Good. Oh, it's just so pungent, so nice. What I forgot to mention, when you clean it too, you want to make sure that you don't clean it too vigorously, each leaf or whatever, because you don't want to rub off all those essential oils that are on the leaves. So, got our garlic in there, got our pine nuts. I'm going to throw our oil. Actually, I'm going to put the cheese in there because our blade is up top here. Our oil, let that seep through everything to get through it. Salt and pepper. We will add more of this as we taste it. Alright, let's give this a try. Let's see if it works. Gonna take a little work, but we'll get it. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Make a couple of times. It smells fantastic. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. It's all ground up. Doesn't make a whole lot, but I'm going to put it in the bowl here. Okay, I've got a little more than a cup probably in here, but this smells fantastic. It looks like it's supposed to. I did taste it off camera there and I add a little bit more salt to it, so that's totally up to you. Oh, got a pine nut in there that we didn't get. But there's our pesto. I am going to add this to our fettuccine. Then we're going to plate it up, take some culinary still life, add music to that and throw it into the video here and let you guys enjoy that. And then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. So enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. Beautiful food. There is that pesto on that fettuccine, a little Parmesan cheese and some more pine nuts on there. I'm going to give it a try. Nothing better than homegrown basil and making your own pesto. Simple ingredients. If you can't find pine nuts, walnuts work just as well. Changes the profile just a little bit, but that basil is pretty overpowering when it comes to the pungency, and those it'll capture the flavor. The walnuts really won't make too much of a difference in there. This is a fantastic recipe. Please give it a try. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give the video a like, and then comment below, let me know how I did, and then share this video with everybody that you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.